They're not rebellious.
That's a stronger opinion of this.
Help me, guys, help me. I painted myself into a corner.
What do you think it is, Pete?
Just a rebellious nature.
Good.
A larrikinism.
That's it. That's what I meant. I meant larrikinism.
But you call it...
Larrikinism.
I love it.
No, that doesn't describe larrikinism. It's what Kate described
Definitely
before.
not a disorder. Basically.
And who's got it? Zoe and me.
It's an order, not a disorder. It's called ODO. Defiance order.
Order.
Your mum laughing at something? Somebody's order?
You change the subject. Test it. I ain't kidding on.
What do you actually think it is? Because I realised that at the meeting yesterday.
I think it's great. I don't think it's a problem.
I think this comes from...
It's just I think it's got to do with that that you're a Liberal, and with it comes creativity,
Yep, it's working.
a gentle, lovable nature.
Yeah. Understanding.
Yes, definitely.
Where does that fit in?
Understanding.
Just got it.
I'm using Dad Deck for that one.
Got it.